Hello, Pink Group. Today you will be reading a comprehension passage. Comprehension means to understand. You will be reading and learning about a topic in your passage. After reading, you will be answering questions about what you learned in the passage. If you get stuck or do not know the answer to the question, go back and reread the passage to find your answer. This passage is about Jasper and the race. You will read the passage, and once you are done reading, you will be able to answer the questions on the page. Remember, if you do not know the answer, please go back to the passage and reread to find your answer. Once you are finished with this passage, you may start the next passage. Remember, this is not a race, so take your time and answer the questions that you can. Please pause the video, then you may begin.